Hello everyone, this is Mallidi ANUKEERTHI and I have completed my inter second year in Tirumala Mahila Junior Kalashala. My father Mallidi Subbireddy is a businessman and my mother Mallidi Krishnaveni is a homemaker. During holidays, my parents suggested me to join in AH career in Rajahmundry. I have joined here to learn PGDCA and I completed my C programming and MS Office. For C programming language, my mentor is Artist sir. He is really very interactive and supporting sir. He supports students and he can able to answer any complex questions with easy, and he explains a lot of practical examples to understand for students, and I highly recommend anyone to join AH career for their future. Thank you.